Plants that fit into coffee mugs, or plants that you can easily grow in coffee mugs. Today I thought of sharing with you about the plants that easily can be grown in coffee mugs. We all have old coffee mugs and jugs in our homes, ceramic mugs. So I will explain you about the plants that will grow easily in these mugs with or without drainage holes. So keep watching. So the first plant that I recommend in mugs is aloe vera. It's very easy to grow. Being succulent, this plant needs less caring and less water. So this plant is one of the plants that you can grow in coffee mug planters because easy to maintain, and also you can select a healthy pup of aloe vera and put them in this mug. So you can grow them either with the drainage hole or without drainage hole. Select garden soil and cocoa peat for this soil mixture and put them in these mugs. So here you can see I have it in this mug where there is no drainage hole. So this is growing pretty well and I really love this plant, aloe vera. You can keep it in a bookshelf or in a TV room area to decorate. So these are best indoor plants in mugs. Next plant I recommend growing is easy to growing these bamboo plants. See how green and beautiful it is. It is also in a coffee mug, and the soil mixture should be garden soil, and cocoa peat is the best to balance the moisture level. So this plant also you can keep near a windowsill for better results. This is also a decorative plant that you can grow in mugs. So you can see how beautiful it is growing, and there is no hole in this also. So this is another plant you can grow in mugs. And next comes this Zzplant. This also prefers the same garden soil, cocoa peat, and you can use garden soil for this. So this is another beautiful plant. Select a healthy small plant and put it in a mug and keep near a windowsill. And watering, of course, you will have to spray the leaves. Do not pour water to these plants, and caring for these plants I have done a separate video. Next plant is syngonium. Now here I have two types of syngoniums growing in mugs. Now this type is very small and tiny syngonium, and this is the other one. So these two are also in coffee mugs. So these beautiful green plants add beauty to your indoor plants collection. Very easy to grow another plant is this money pothos. So now here I have it in this mug. It is one of my kids' mugs, and this nicely fit in and it's beautifully growing. See how green it is, and the stem also you can see. So grow these beautiful plants as indoor plants, and this plant also very healthy. You can use same garden soil. You cannot put any new cuttings into these mugs because if they doesn't have the draining hole, you will have to take care that you will select the roots. When selecting plants, you will have to select plants with well rooting, and the roots should be there. So now here the pothos plant, and also here also I have some small plants growing here. These are all pothos plants in coffee mugs. I'll give you a proper look. So these are all decorative pieces. Coffee mugs you can select. Now see, this is a small coffee mug where I have put a spider plant. It's a runner from the spider plant where there were a lot of roots. So, and there is another snake plant over here. So these coffee mugs are so adorable and really very beautiful. Last but not the least, I recommend having a jade plant in this mug type of planters. This is beautifully fit into any type of mug. Especially these plants are very easy to maintain because they are less maintenance plants, and even a stem cutting will do. So keep these plants near a window, especially the Zzplant. So select these plants for coffee mugs. So I have shown you many plants that are suitable for these mug planters. I hope you find this video very useful. If you are new, consider to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.